you want to be healthy and happy. I'm sure all of us. Great, thank you. So welcome to Fitter Body Leads to Fitter Mind and Happy You. I am Dr. Rashmi. Today I am going to be giving you a third secret to be healthy and happy. Are you all excited? Yes, I am super excited as well. The third secret for you to be healthy and happy is sleep. So in this video, you will be understanding what is sleep, why sleep is important, what are the benefits of sleeping, and tips to improve your sleep, of course, in the end of the video. So please watch till the end. What is sleep? Sleep is a basic human need and is essential for good health and quality of life and perform well during the day. So sleep is going to be very much important for you to be healthy and happy. Because without sleep, I'm sure you have all realized at one point or the other, without sleep, you are not yourself. Let's understand what happens when you sleep. See, once you wake up from your sleep, I'm sure all of us notice that we feel more relaxed and more happy and more healthy along with the more relaxed state. So these are the physical changes that we all can observe. There are also other changes which happen internally. Let's understand them first. So the brain stores new information when you are sleeping, and it also removes all the toxic waste which is there in the brain. And this nerve cells communicate with each other and reorganize the data which is put into the brain by all of us through the day. Okay, this helps you to have a healthy brain function, which is very much needed for our daily activity and for us to be happy and healthy. And the body also repairs during the sleep, and it repairs the damages that has happened to the cells externally, internally, and it also restores energy so that you will be able to perform your functions through the day better. And they also release molecules like hormones and proteins which are much needed for us to be healthy and happy. There are 5 stages of sleep. So to name them, just wake and relaxed wakefulness and light sleep and deep sleep and REM sleep. Now you have understood what is sleep and what happens when you are sleeping during the day. Let's understand the benefits of the sleep. So how sleep is going to help you to be healthy and happy. So the first benefit that you see after you sleep is it reduces this level of stress that you are going through. And sleep also reduces inflammation and infection by improving your body immunity, so that you will be able to resist any infection or inflammation to your body. And sleep also helps your body relax better, and it also helps the tissue to get ample amount of time to recover itself when you're sleeping. And it also sleep also reduces the load on your heart, lungs and brain along with the kidneys, so that when you are sleeping they'll be able to take up lesser function compared to be you awake. Okay, and sleep also makes you more alert and able to concentrate better on things that you are doing through the day. And it also improves your memory. And sleep also helps you to maintain your weight. Okay, and sleep helps your body to repair itself without any external support. And sleep also reduces the risk of depression. If you are sleeping better, then you are safeguarding yourself from going through any kinds of stress which further leads to depression, as we have already discussed in our previous videos. So sleep may also help you prevent many types of cancers according to the researchers. So now that you have understood the benefits of sleep, let me help you with 10 tips to improve your sleep. So are you ready for it? Yes. So the first thing that you have to do to have a better sleep is number one, power down your devices. So being in the life that we are currently going through, we are always surrounded by so many gadgets. Whether we need it or we don't need it, it doesn't matter. So either your Wi-Fi light is going on, or somewhere your mobile is ringing or beeping because you get messages, or you have a constantly buzzing laptop or a desktop in your bedroom. So to have a better sleep, try to minimize your devices around you, at least when you hit the bed. So this way you will be able to have a peaceful and sound sleep and be ready for the next day with a better concentration. The second tip is going to be the maintain a right temperature wherever you're sleeping, or maybe you have a warmer room, or you have too many things stuffed around your room. The time it needs to cool down is also longer. So maintaining the right temperature once you hit the bed and through the day, so you have an undisturbed sleep, is very important. And the sixth tip is going to be, if you have a trouble sleeping and you end up rolling on the bed longer than the normal, then it is better to walk out of the bed and go to a different room and do some activity. That way you will be able to sleep better once you get back. Okay, this will help you in having a good sleep. And seventh tip is going to be exercise daily. So at least 45 minutes to 1 hour of exercise is very important to have a better sleep and undisturbed sleep. So when I say exercise, that doesn't mean that you have to exercise and relax through the day. It also involves a physical activity which you do along with your exercise, which will make you feel more tired. And the eighth tip is going to be, avoid brain stimulated drinks like coffee, tea, alcohol. So these are the things which will stimulate your brain. If you consume before hitting the bed or 1 to 2 hours before you go to sleep, you tend to be awake longer, because see, these stimulate your nerves so that it will stop you from taking rest and going to sleep. And avoid cigarettes before hitting the bed, and heavy meals needs to be avoided during the dinner or before hitting the bed. So when your stomach is full, then your brain takes more effort to put you through the sleep. And the ninth tip is avoiding afternoon naps, because see, what happens is, if you are sleeping in the afternoon and you have no monitor on how much time you are napping. See, when we say nap, it should be less than 30 minutes at a stretch. But what happens normally is, when you go for a nap in the afternoon, it gets prolonged, which further stops you having a undisturbed sleep during the night. So it is always better to avoid naps if you are having a disturbed sleep in the night. And the 10th tip is going to be, maintain a sleep diary for to name it, like you just record every day what time you hit the bed and what time you wake up and at what time is your sleep disturbed. So this will also help you understand why this day my sleep was disturbed and why the other day I was able to sleep better. So you will be able to monitor your daily activities which are helping you to sleep better. So these are the 10 tips for you to have a hygiene sleep and a undisturbed sleep through the night, and this will help you being healthy and happy for sure. After trying these these 10 tips, if you are still not able to have a comfortable and undisturbed sleep, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor or seek a professional help. Okay, because there might be so many underlying conditions which may be troubling you to have a better sleep. Thank you so much for your time. Keep smiling.